So if you're needing to find a minimum or a maximum value of a function, it's the same method that you use to find either. In this case, we have a parabola, and of course, there's only a minimum here, right? And this is the question that you have in your review right now, class. So it looks like this, and it's asking you for the range, which really you want to find the minimum. So if you graph that, if you hit trace, you can just kind of run your cursor around there, and you can kind of guess, you know, negative 8.99. It looks like it might be negative 9, but how do you know for sure? I would guess negative 9. But how do you know for sure? So how you calculate this for certain is to do second function trace, which is your calculate menu. And if you see here, number 3 is minimum. So you hit number 3, so calculate a minimum, and then it's going to say left bound here is the first question. So you move your cursor over to just to the left of where the minimum looks like to be on the graph. And so you hit enter. And then it'll have this little arrow here. So it's saying, okay, this is my left boundary. Now it's going to ask for the right boundary. And you go just on the other side, somewhere on the other side of that minimum, and then you hit enter again. You see you'll have these two little arrows. And so you're going to ask the calculator to find a minimum value between these two arrows. So and you hit enter again when it says guess, and it should pop up right here, y equals negative 9. So that was the exact answer. That's how you find the minimum with your calculator. Again, it's second function trace, which gets you to the calculate menu, and then 3 is the minimum. If the parabola was oriented the other way, you just hit maximum and do the exact same thing. So I'll do it one more time here, and we'll go just to the left, and then we'll go to the right, and then we'll just hit enter again and allow the calculator to guess. And there's your minimum value. So for this case, your range is y greater than or equal to negative 9.